Alright guys, here's another reason why I really love this product. Now, as you guys can see, these headlights are in really bad condition. I actually just restored it. Restored this one right here. Using this stuff, of course, I did all my sanding steps as well. But let me show you the temperature right now. It is currently 37 degrees, and this stuff is still going to cure. So that's why I highly recommend that if you guys are looking to do headlight restorations, look into the Meguiars Headlight Spray Coating, because this will cure in 37-degree weather. You just got to make sure that the can is warm. So I do it by sticking it into my pockets while I'm sanding, and then shake it up pretty well, and look at the clarity that you get. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my process on this light, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty guys, so as always, I'm going to be starting off with a P500 grade sanding disc by 3M. As you can see, I'm actually using 2 of my interface pads on top of the backing plate, because these lights are really soft and delicate and they mar super easily, so I want to make sure I don't have a lot of pressure points. Now I'm doing a vertical hand sand, or I mean a horizontal hand sand, to smooth out all those little scratches. Moving on to the P800 sanding disc, this is going to remove the 500 grade sanding disc marks and kind of smooth it out in preparation for the next steps. So after that, go ahead and again do a horizontal hand sand to smooth the surface out. Alright, so after the 800, me personally, I like to do a 1500 Trizact wet sand. It just gives me better results and better clarity, at least for me. And then of course I'm going to finish off with a horizontal sand, and then moving on to the final sanding step. This is the P3000 Trizact. Alright, so now let's move on to the polishing stage. So I'm going to be using a mixture of some Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer along with some Meguiars Ultimate Compound. And I'm actually following it up with a second step using a finishing pad and some hyper polish. And it actually came out really good. And then of course we're going to be applying a brand new clear coat. This is the Meguiars Headlight Spray Coating. Alright guys, here are the results. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Do you think this is a good result? I think they're picture perfect. They look brand spanking new. Tell me what you guys think below, and yeah, follow me.